Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial we will see how Elementor's mask option work, and we will see some example. Also we will see how can we create our own shape and use it to our website. I'm Fahad Ahmed with you. Let's get started. Alright, so take a new section here, go to the advanced tab, unbind the padding. Top we will set 100 pixel and bottom also 100 pixel. Now let's go to the element and we will drag a inner section here. Then go to the element again and we will drag a heading here. We will change the text, go to the style tab, change the color to this one, typography, font family, Poppins, font size will be 70 pixel, font weight we will make it to 900. Alright, now we will go to the element again and we will drag an image here, select an image, scroll down. I'm selecting this one. Okay, now let's go to the advanced tab. From here we will see mask option. Let's turn it on. By default it's circle. Let's make it to flower. Okay, it's looking cool. We also can change it to scratch. Okay, it's also looking cool. Then here is triangle, bulb, and also a hexagon. The shapes are really nice. You can also use a custom shape here. I am already created a shape and I am using it to here. You can create a shape easily by using bulbmaker.app. From here you can create a bulb easily and you can use it to your website. So I created this one. Let's insert it. Now you can see our shape is applied here. Alright, now let's delete this one. We will use this one. We will also take this heading into center. So let's click this edit intersection. From here we will see vertical align. We will make it to middle. Okay, this area is looking really cool. So this way we can add Elementor's mask option into our website. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. And if you want to see this kind of valuable video on your home feed next time, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good luck.